What started out as just a dream of three moms to add more inclusive spaces to their community in Black River Falls became a reality this fall. WEAU's Eleanor Bland has the story.
Mothers Nicole, Annalise, and Ashley were strangers with one common goal: to spruce up a playground in their community that needed a makeover.
It was a wood structure that was rotting and there was sand here, and so it just wasn't completely safe for every child, but especially children who might have different abilities.
The team of mothers began fundraising in 2021 for a new all-abilities playground. With donations from the community and a $300,000 matching grant from the Lunda Charitable Fund, the playground was finally opened in October.
We have different areas that include healthy risk-taking structures for them. They have open-ended play, they have big motor movements as well. We also have really high contrasting colors that help with our friends that have different abilities.
Annalise Eddy says the park was much needed as there is around 2,000 people in Jackson County living with disabilities.
Sometimes kids can get a little bit overstimulated with the noise, the amount of children, the amount of activity. So we wanted to put in a sensory break location for your children. You can actually do a lot of different things while you're sitting in more of an enclosed space to kind of help with some of the auditory sounds.
And the playground is not just for kids.
I've seen so many grandparents be able to come and see other grandkids smiling and playing and interact with them right up at the equipment, where grandparents or people who are not as mobile would be sitting off to the side.
Our hope was that we're able to bring together people of all abilities and that they can play side by side and get to know each other and have exposure and build those relationships. It's something that we really have been needing here for a long time.
The All Abilities Playground can be found at Lunda Park in Black River Falls. Eleanor Bland, WEAU 13 News.
The park opened 2 weeks ago, but there are still plans for a phase 2. By 2024, they plan to add a fence to keep everyone safely in the play area and make the bathroom more accessible.